Your iPhone 17 lets you write a message now and send it later. This is perfect when you have an important message to send, but it's too late at night or you don't want to forget to send it at the right time. Here's how to schedule a text message on the iPhone 17 series. Before you begin, make sure iMessage is enabled on your iPhone. Once iMessage is set, open the Messages app. Open an existing conversation or start a new one. For this guide, we'll create a new message conversation, so tap the Create New icon. Now, tap the plus icon next to the text field. From the menu, tap Send Later. Tap the time shown to open the scheduler, then choose the date and time you want the message to be sent. You'll notice the message box now has a dashed outline and the scheduled send time appears above the message field. Now, type your message, specify your contact recipient, then tap Send. The message will remain in the conversation with a dashed border until it's sent. It will be delivered automatically at the scheduled time even if your devices are offline. Your recipient can use any device and they won't know the message was scheduled. You can schedule a message up to 14 days in advance. You can also edit the send schedule, the message body, or delete the scheduled message when needed. Please note that you need to be online in order to edit, reschedule, or delete a scheduled message. And that's it. If this helped you schedule messages on your iPhone 17, give the video a like and check out our other tutorials to discover more useful iPhone features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.